guys, so we were out here helping a neighbor who got a tractor stuck. So he got buried in a gully. We're basically gonna try and pull him out, so we'll see.
Back tire's not catching. Your back. Your back tire is not catching. Your back tire is not catching. You gotta go down some, I guess, for the check there. Okay, no, you're not catching.
Alright, so we actually swung around the other way, and he was actually able to use the boom and lift himself over enough to get the tractor out without me. I was just kind of guiding him, so they needed a little help. So that was cool. The great people, they're just some neighbors that needed some help, not that we needed. I was cleaning today, so I wasn't really gonna make a video, but I'm gonna head to Dunkin', grab my morning routine. I need some diesel because I'm out on money, so I'll be surprised if I make it. But just another day, gotta go back to work, so nothing crazy exciting happening today, so I might go take pictures of the other truck and post it for sale. So we have some cool stuff coming soon. Definitely stay tuned. Oops, I think I missed the turn. Definitely stay tuned here shortly. We're gonna be presenting some stuff in a video here shortly, so. Alright guys, that's probably gonna do it for today's video. Kind of short and sweet. Try to help out some neighbors, and I gotta go to work soon. I'm gonna play some video games in the meantime, but I just want to do a quick side note here. I am going to be parting out that 2001 GMC Duramax. So I have almost everything for a complete truck. I got a turbo, heads, whole engine. I'm rebuilding it. I got a transmission, four-wheel drive. I think it's electronic four-wheel drive. So if any of that stuff you guys want, need, parts, whatever, send me a message in the comments or on Instagram, Duramax_diesel, and I'll gladly sell it to you. So I'm actually going to part it out now, so that's kind of the plan. We're going with it, doing a different build. So I hope you guys liked the video and actually using my truck today as a truck. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. If you need something, comment it below. Thanks, guys.